How to replace Volkswagen Passat B7, 2012 to 2016, low beam xenon headlight bulb in 6 easy steps. 1. Open the bonnet to reach behind the headlight. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Here we have a left headlight to show you more clearly what you should do when you need to replace the xenon light from low beam. Two. Remove the plastic cover, moving the clamps on the sides. Three. Disconnect the plug from the xenon light bulb. Four. Twist the plastic lock ring anti-clockwise to unlock the light bulb and then take it out. 'VW Passat B7 is using a 35W D3S xenon light bulb for low beam that you can find it in the video description below. You can replace it with Osram xenon light bulb that you can find it in the video description below. Our recommendation is to change both low beam bulbs to avoid color differences from the other old bulb. Five. Place the new xenon light bulb back in the headlight and then twist the plastic lock ring clockwise to lock the light bulb. You have to place the xenon light bulb exactly in the same way you removed it. Six. Connect the plug and then put the plastic cover back in the clamps. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or give me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.